Hey guys, Lenny Reed, Dynomite Diesel Products. Little teaser. This morning we were on the dyno with an old 12 valve. TJ Burton, young guy that I've known him forever. And he put his own motor together. He's got a 215 pump, it's all twisted up. It's got a SXE 363 on it. The truck makes 605 horsepower, pretty substantial for that turbo on a 12 valve. It was really smoky with the set of 370 Marines in it, so we took and put a set of our stage 3s in it. Made identical horsepower, but the smoke output was like 50%. So I told TJ, keep the injectors in the truck, tell me what you think about driving it. He sent me a few messages just maybe 20-30 minutes after he left the shop, and he was pretty excited. Said that it's a lot more fun to drive. It's not near as smoky on the street, and he can still have a good time, but he's not upsetting all the people around him. And it's a stacked truck as well, so trying to not announce that he's having fun is probably a really good idea. But keep your eyes peeled in the future here. We're going to be posting up some dyno charts and some videos of that stuff. So anyway, all you 12 guys out there, just want to let you know that we've got you covered as well. We're working to get you fun and smoke free. All right, thanks. See you guys.